This is an unboxing of the Microsoft Surface laptop with Snapdragon. I received this today. I had pre-ordered this about 2 weeks ago and it came triple boxed, which is pretty damn good. This is the third box that I need to now open up and take the laptop out. I ordered this with 12 cores CPU, 32 gig RAM, 1 TB hard drive in black color. Unfortunately, right now Microsoft is not letting any other color be ordered with this kind of configuration. So this is only available in black color. So let's unbox this and see how it is. So overall, the packaging, as I said before, is pretty damn good. This was the third box that the laptop is in. And here's the laptop. It's wrapped in this paper cover. So let's remove this. There's some adhesive here, so I'm just trying to be careful not to scratch the laptop in the process. So here's the laptop. It's a pretty sleek design. There's a shiny Microsoft logo, glossy logo. The overall finish is, I would say, matte with a little bit of a sheen. There is Microsoft and some FCC statements written at the back. There's 4 rubber feet, 1 in each corner. Let's see what's inside. This is some paperwork, some extra packaging. There is also a charging brick. I'm not sure what the wattage of this charging brick is, so let's try to take it out and see. So it seems like this is a 40 watt. So although there's a lot of detail in the back, but it also says 39W, which is 39 watts in big bold letters. Certainly not the fastest charging brick available these days on laptops, but it's quite compact. It's pretty good for travel. And then there is a power cable that attaches to the brick like this, and then this is your charging port.